Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download CRM data import with HubSpot for contacts, complete guide step by step clearly. To download CRM data import with HubSpot for contacts, begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Once logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Click on Contacts in the top menu. From the drop-down, select Contacts again to view your contacts list. In the Contacts page, look for the Actions button, usually found in the upper right corner. Click on Actions to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Import. This will take you to the Import section where you, next, look for the option that allows you to download your recent import history. Click on Download next to the relevant import history. You may be prompted to select a file format for your download. Choose either CSV or Excel, depending on your preference. After selecting the format, confirm your choice to initiate the download. Your browser will start downloading the file shortly. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your system's download folder. Open the file to review your CRM data for contacts. Ensure all necessary information is included and properly formatted. If everything looks good, you are ready to work with your data as needed. This completes your guide on how to download CRM data import with HubSpot for contacts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.